Really from the Zafar tutorial. So today my topic is about how to find the parts of sentence. In Oxford Practice Grammar, I told you about this book. So in this book, this is the exercise. So I am solving this exercise for you. So this is a sentence. These are the find sentence and saying find out the parts of sentence. So we are having a great time. What this is? This is an object. So the weather is marvelous. What this is the subject. The weather, this is the subject. So we really enjoy camping. So what this is the verb. It's great fun. So what this is fun is complement. Number 5 is we are on the farm. So what is this on the farm? This is the adverb or prepositional phrase. This scenery is a beautiful. So what beautiful is? Adjective or complement. So this is all about my tutorial lecture. So if you like, then must subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.